Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country in Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage, then you're gonna find the account details. Under account details, you'll find Profile option. Tap on Profile, then on the screen you can see the profile information. Go ahead, scroll down, then you'll find the option Sending From. Go ahead and tap on Edit right beside Sending From, then select the drop-down icon. Now go ahead and select the country that you want to change it into, then tap on Save. And guys, that's it. That's how you change country in Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.